Hello everyone, my name is Durga and I welcome you all in Vehicle Academy. In this video, you will be learning about the types of vehicle. The first type of vehicle is sea vehicle. The vehicle which moves on water or sea, that is called sea vehicle. It is used for traveling overseas, transporting goods, taking passenger for fun and transporting heavy breezes. It comes under marine engineering. What is marine engineering? The branch of engineering which deals with manufacturing, designing, repairing of sea vehicle, that is called marine engineering. For example, boat, cargo ships, submarine, passenger ships, etc. The second one is air vehicle. The vehicle which moves in sky or which fly in the sky, that is called air vehicle. It comes under aeronautics engineering. The branch of engineering which deals with manufacturing, designing, repairing and making this air vehicle, that branch of engineering is known as aeronautics engineering. For example, jet aircrafts, aeroplane, helicopter, etc. The third one is land vehicle. Land vehicle is known as automobile vehicle. The vehicle which moves on road, that is called land vehicle. And the branch of engineering which deals with manufacturing, designing, repairing of this vehicle, that is called automobile engineering. For example, car, bus, trucks, bikes and all. Please watch this video till the end to understand all the types of vehicle. Now you can see here types of automobile vehicle. Automobile vehicle is of two type. First one is passenger vehicle, second one is goods vehicle. Passenger vehicle is of two types, light vehicles, heavy vehicles. Light vehicle is also of so many types here like auto cycles, mopeds, scooters, motorcycle, jeep, station wagon, pickups and car. These all comes under light vehicle. In passenger vehicle only, the heavy vehicle comes also like buses, coaches also. In buses like single deck buses come, double deck buses come, mini buses comes, big buses come. In coaches deluxe comes, air conditions come. Like the same, it's categorized here in goods vehicle also. Light vehicles, light vehicle is also of three types: delivery van, light trucks, tempo is also two types for the three wheelers, tempo, four wheelers, tempo. In heavy vehicles, you can see here heavy vehicles is also of two type: truck, tractors, trailers, and all this comes under heavy vehicles. Types of automobile car. In the types of automobile car, it will be on different basis. So the first one is on the basis of body style. So there are a lot of types of car which is based on the body style, like sedan, coupe, sports car, station wagon, hatchback, convertible car, pickup truck and minivan and sport utility vehicle. So these are the vehicle which is completely based on the body style. Now we'll be going through each vehicle one by one. The first one is sedan. A sedan has four doors and a traditional trunk. Like vehicle in many categories are available in sedan. There are many ranges in sedan. Like it start from small like Nissan Versa to medium like Honda Civic to full size like Toyota Avalon. And the next one is coupe car. Coupe car basically it has two door and it is also have trunk and a solid roof. This would include car like Ford, Mustang, Audi A5, Mercedes Benz and all. Third one is your sports car. These are the sportest, hottest, coolest looking coupe and convertible low to the ground, chic and often expensive. They generally are two-seaters but sometimes have a small rear seat as well. Car like the Porsche 911 and Mazda Miata, Ferrari 408 GTB, Aston Martin, these are the example of sports car. The fourth one is station wagon. Wagons are similar to sedan but an extended roof line and a hatch door at the rear instead of a trunk. There are some example of station wagon like Subaru Outback or RDA4 Allroad. The next one is hatchback. The mean of hatchback is a compact sedan with a squared off roof and rear flip up hatch door that provide access to the vehicle's cargo area instead of conventional truck. There are some example of hatchback like Volkswagen Golf, Kia Rio, Audi A7 and Kia Stinger. Next one is convertible car. Does the roof retract into the body leaving the passenger cabin open to the elements? If so, so it's convertible car. Most convertible car have a fully powered fabric roof that folds down, but a few have to be lowered by hand. There are also a number of models, for example, Mazda MX-5, Miata RF, Porsche 991, like that. The next one is minivan. Minivans are the workhorses of the family car world, the best at carrying people and cargo in an efficiency package. They are also called as minivans, but they are not mini actually. They are much bigger than other car. That is because of the boxes, that is because of the size which we are keeping on the body of the car. So it looks like a box on the frame. Most minivans have adjustable seat in their second and third rows that can be removed or even folded into the floor, create a huge open cargo bay or space in the vehicle. For example, there are Honda Odyssey and Chrysler Pacifica are great examples of the breed. The next one is SUV. SUV is also known as sports utility vehicle, and it also referred to as crossovers. It tends to be taller and boxier than sedans. It offers an elevated seating positions and it have more ground clearance than a car. They include a station wagon like cargo area that is accessed through a flip up rear hatch door and have many offer all wheel drive system. The larger one have 3 rows of seats. Size starts at subcompact like Hyundai Kona, mid size and go to all the full size like Ford Expeditions, Chevrolet Tahoe, like that. Luxury brands also offer many SUV models in most of the same size categories. Now on the basis of load, there are two types of vehicle: heavy transport vehicle, which is known as heavy motor vehicle, and the second one is light transport vehicle, that is known as light motor vehicle. In light motor vehicle, generally car, auto, bike comes. In heavy vehicles like bus, truck, road roller, heavy pickups comes. Third one is on the basis of drive. There are two types of automobile vehicle on the basis of drive. First one is left hand drive, which is Indian car, and second one is right hand drive, that is American car. The fourth one is according to the position of engine. It is also two type. First one is engine in front and second one is engine in the rear. For example, in most of the vehicle like it comes like engine in front. In some of vehicle only it comes in rear side. For example, Nano car, in Nano it comes in rear side. Next one is on the basis of fuel used. So on the basis of fuel, like we do have petrol vehicle, we do have diesel vehicle, we do have electric vehicle, we do have steam vehicle, we do have gas vehicle. So we do have examples here also according to the vehicles. Petrol vehicle, for example, motorcycles, scooter. Diesel vehicle, we do have truck, buses, etc. For electric vehicle, battery, we'll be using battery electricity for driving the vehicle. And next one is your steam vehicle. So in steam vehicle, engine which uses steam engine. In gas vehicle, we'll be using LPG and CNG vehicle. So on the basis of fuel used, there are 5 types of vehicle. Next one is on the basis of driving axle. On the basis of driving axle, there are 3 types of automobile vehicle comes. First one is front wheel drive system, where the power transfer to the front wheel. Second one is rear wheel drive system, where the power transfer to the rear wheel. Third one is all wheel drive system, where power used to transfer in all wheel individually. So there are 3 types of vehicle comes under driving axle. Next one is on the basis of wheel used. Two wheeler, three wheeler, four wheeler, six wheeler, and six wheeler plus. So in two wheelers we do have motorcycle, scooter. In three wheeler we do have Bajaj Auto, Tempo and all. In three wheelers we do have battery auto rickshaw. In four wheeler we do have car, jeep, trucks, buses, etc. In six wheelers we do have large truck, big trucks with 2 gears. The next one is on the basis of transmission. So on the basis of transmission, there are 3 types of transmission: manual transmission system, semi transmission system, and automatic transmission system. So we'll be going one by one. Manual transmission system, where manually we are going to change the gears by hand, like 5 gears vehicle is per gear we use generally in that manual transmission system. Second one is semi automatic system. Semi automatic system is a combination of hydraulic, pneumatic or electric servos solenoid, electrical, sensor, electric switches, motor, processors and actuators. Basically, semi-automatic will have semi-manual and semi-automatic also. The third one is automatic or fully automatic, where we are using torque converter, planetary gears, CVT models. These comes under automatic transmission system, where we are not using manual gear to change the gear. This is all about types of vehicle. Thank you for watching the video. How was this video? Please comment and please share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.